Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable background sync permission in Chrome on PC. Follow these simple steps to take control of your browsing experience. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click on the More button. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security in the settings. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Step 6. Scroll down and click on Additional Permissions. Step 7. Look for Background Sync and click to open it. Step 8. Finally, click on Don't Allow Closed Sites to finish sending or receiving data. By following these steps, you can disable background sync permission in Chrome on your PC, preventing websites from continuing to send or receive data in the background without your knowledge. Take control of your privacy and browsing experience. Let's get started.